So I've added all the flour gradually, and the amount of flour you'll need, as I mentioned on the recipe cards, and the amount of flour is 300. So we got 300 grams or mils of starter. We got 300 mils of warm water, 40 degrees, between 40 and 50. And flour 300 grams. Add it gradually so to avoid the lumps. But you can see as I hold that up how thick it is. That's what you want, a very, very thick batter. What's happening there is the starter itself is going to start feeding on the flour, and when yeast is given flour, which is its food, it'll produce carbon dioxide, which are the bubbles you see, and also alcohol. But don't worry too much about the alcohol, that'll be cooked off when you make the bread.